Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Petra Mume, and if this is the first time coming across my page, you are welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil. This video has been long requested for, and I hope you find all the tips and tricks useful. So with no further ado,
So guys, before we get started, here are some awesome benefits of carrot oil. It regulates skin sebum, which has the power to balance out dry or oily skin, giving the skin enough moisture. It rejuvenates skin. Carrot oil has a strong anti-aging properties due to its rich content of vitamin A, C and E, which also helps brighten the skin. It fights against wrinkles and is a natural sunscreen for the face and body. So now guys, let's get into the video. How do you make carrot oil? So now guys, the first thing you need is carrots. You need clean water to wash them clean, and you might want to use a knife to scrape off the dirt from it. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing right here. You want to make sure that there is no dirt left in the carrots. Then you grate it. Once you're done scraping off the dirt from the carrot, you want to grate it into little shreds, because you can't use it as big as it is. You need to grate it into little shreds like I'm doing right now. So like I said, carrot oil contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, which will help your skin to look beautiful, younger, vibrant and even. So here I have my carrot oil now, and I have my carrots, sorry, excuse me. And what I'm going to use a vegetable oil, which is this olive oil. I'm going to put this on fire, and I'm going to add my carrots into the oil. So make sure you leave this on low heat, because you do not want to rip the carrot of its natural nutrients. So on low heat, allow to boil, or should I say cook. Now it's ready. You would know when it's ready when the color starts changing and turning into a golden yellow, orange. You're going to remove this from the fire and make sure it cools down before pouring in, but not so cold, so that the oil comes out directly from the carrots. So guys, you can use a clean scarf to sieve out your oils. As long as it's clean, it's fine. And when you're done, you pour into a container. Remember, it shouldn't be too hot while you pour into the container, and leave to cool for like some minutes, and your carrot oil is ready.
so guys, that's all for the video. That's how I make my carrot oil, and I hope you try my method of making carrot oil and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.